Hello students, how are you? Bagaimana kabarnya? Welcome back to our English lesson with me, Mrs. Ayuningsi. Okay, by the way, did you still remember about the last material? Apa kalian masih ingat tentang pelajaran kemarin? Yaps, we have learned about the narrative text. Kita telah belajar tentang teks narasi. So, we will review about the narrative text. Jadi, kita akan mereview tentang teks narasi. So, what is the meaning of narrative text? Jadi, apa sih arti dari teks narasi? Narrative text is a piece of text which tells a story and entertains the reader or the listener. Jadi, teks narasi itu adalah teks yang menceritakan tentang cerita dan menghibur para pembaca atau pendengar. The generic structure of narrative text is number 1, orientation. Struktur umum dari teks narasi adalah orientasi, yaitu berisi tentang pendahuluan masalah, pengenalan tokoh, dan tempat terjadi cerita tersebut. Number 2 is complication, komplikasi, berisi tentang awal terjadinya masalah hingga masalah berkembang. Number 3 is resolution, berisi tentang akhir dari cerita tersebut, bisa berupa penyelesaian masalah, happy ending, or sad ending. Elements of narrative text, unsur dari teks narasi. Number 1 is vocabulary, yaitu berisi tentang kosakata dalam bahasa Inggris yang berhubungan tentang teks narasi. Number 2 is the character, yaitu berisi tentang tokoh cerita, bisa antagonis, protagonis, maupun tirtagonis. Number 3 is plot, berisi tentang alur cerita, bisa maju, bisa mundur. Number 4 is setting, berisi tentang latar belakang cerita, bisa tempat, bisa waktu, bisa kejadian cerita. Number 5 is theme, yaitu tema cerita, bisa legend, bisa mitos, bisa fable, and etc. The kind of narrative text, jenis-jenis teks narasi. Number 1 is legend, yaitu legenda, bisa berupa sangkuriang, maling kundang, dan lain sebagainya. Number 2 is fable, yaitu cerita hewan, contohnya mouse, deer, and crocodile, kancil dan buaya. Number 3 is fairy tale, yaitu cerita khayalan, contohnya Cinderella, Snow White. Number 4 is folk tale, cerita rakyat. Number 5 is short story, cerita pendek. Number 6 is classic, yaitu klasik. Number 7 is fantasy, fantasi khayalan. Number 8 is adventure, perjalanan. Number 9 is science fiction, yaitu fiksi ilmu pengetahuan. Number 10 is myth, mitos, misteri. Nah, sekarang sekian penjelasan dari Ibu tentang teks narasi. Ibu harap kalian bisa paham tentang materi dan ringkasan dari materi yang kemarin. Tugas berikutnya adalah kalian nonton video kakak kelas kalian, kemudian jawablah pertanyaan yang Ibu berikan. Selamat menonton film dan jangan lupa menjawab tugas dari Ibu, pertanyaan dari Ibu. Bye-bye.
We from class 11 science 1. We perform narrative text with title of Hansel and Gretel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, the deep forest there lived a poor one tutor with his wife and his 2 children. They were so poor that the father could not even provide their daily bread. Mother did ask the sovereign for an illness. Mother! After mother died, father took the burden of all the household chores. The father alone used to take care of the kids. He couldn't earn because of this.
Oh, my kid, I told you many times that you should get married for your children. Only a lady can take times that you should get married for your children. Only a lady can take care of kids properly, and you can go to the woods again, or else all of you will be starved son.
I think she is right. I should get married.
He finally got married. After the marriage, he and his children were happy.
My darling, I don't need to worry about kids anymore. I can go to work now.
Okay, I with you, darling.
I love you. I love
He started going to work again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, food is ready. Yes, stepmother.
Hansel and Gretel rushed toward the dining table and start eating the food.
Can I have a little more, stepmother, please? No, I cannot. You keep the food, Gretel, because you is greedy girl.
Instead of giving food to hungry children, she ate a bowl full of porridge.
Take this, Gretel.
So, what will you eat? I don't want this. But I'm not hungry today. Have it this.
Hansel gave all his food to Gretel.
Thank you, brother. Okay, you're welcome.
Father always went into the woods. He was working very hard, but could not sell wood because the wood traders didn't come. The village from past few weeks. Due the heavy rain.
One day, the stepmother fought with her husband.
Hey, my dear.
Hi. Your children work eat and eat all the time. But you not give me money few weeks.
What can I do, my dear? I cannot give you money because rainy season.
Why do you go to town and sell it?
Yes, that's good idea. I will go to town and leave you and we children.
The next morning, father left for the town to sell the wood. Father left mother dot an evil plan to get rid of the kids forever. Rid of the kids forever.
If this plan works, I don't have share food with Hansel and Gretel. I will happy with my husband and birth my own child. Oh Hansel, oh Gretel, come here. Yes, the brother. Come here. What do you want, berries, Gretel? Yes, I want berries.
Hansel was the sharp and intelligent child. He was doubtful because of her sweet tone.
No, mother, I'm not come. I will get to fresh berries to eat. You must be hungry. Do not you eat fresh berry? Let's go, brother. Please, please. I want to see the forest and taste the fresh berries. Okay, Gretel, let's go. Come on, my kids. Yes.
Had her from his real mother to mark the way to the forest
so that while coming back you do not lose your way to the house. Hansel collected some pebbles because the pebbles used to shine at night. All together they left for the woods. Will walk, Hansel dropped pebbles when the way to the forest sun they reached the dead birds.
Hansel, I'm dead now. I want rest for a while. Okay, Gretel. Oh, mother. Mother.
Okay, we find you. Don't worry, Hansel. I will come back.
The stepmother went away, leaving behind the two kids. Behind, Gretel fell asleep. Stepmother left to art home and decided to leave the children. Meanwhile, Gretel wake up and start looking for stepmother.
Hansel, where mother? I want to go home. I'm hungry. Oh, mother, where you, stepmother?
Don't worry, Gretel. I'm waiting here.
Monkey climbed down the tree with some fruit in his hand. The monkey gave them the fruit.
How sweet of you, monkey.
They all ate the fruit together. Mother reached midway and saw row of pebbles.
Oh, the clever Hansel.
She put the pebbles on another path to meet with them.
Now you will learn the lesson for life. You smart kid, Hansel.
The children wait and wait, but the mother did not return.
Where is mother, Hansel? How we will go home?
Hansel was also terrified, but soon remembered that he had left pebbles along the way.
Pebbles!
They get up and start searching for the pebbles. At the moment, the monkey came down from the tree and held Hansel's hands and saw the pebble. The pebbles were shining in bright moonlight.
Don't cry, Gretel. Trust me, I will take you home.
Yes.
They walked and soon lost their path. The pebbles had disappeared. There were no more pebbles but dark and tinsel forests ahead.
Where are pebbles?
I'm scared, brother.
Don't worry. I'm here. Look after you.
They walked and walked again. They were very tired and hungry now. Finally, they saw a chocolate house.
Look there, Hansel. A chocolate house.
Oh, that's made of cookies.
Wow. And the doors made waffles. Wow, Hansel, let's eat this.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
They heard a noise of someone opening the door. The old woman who looked sick came up.
And what are you doing here? Why are you eating my house? Sorry, we are hungry.
And we are lost in the woods.
Oh, poor children. You look hungry and tired. Come in. Mom will give you some food. Grandma will take care of you.
Wow, food! But the kid tasted of the food.
Why don't you take nap?
A sarcasm bit apparent.
Thank you, Granny. But it is so late. I will go home, Granny. Our mother must be searching us.
Yes, Granny. We must go now. Thank you and goodbye.
The granny transformed into scary-looking witch. The witch put another spell and locked Hansel into a jar. The spell witch put another spell. Leave me! Leave me!
Hansel! Hansel!
Come on, you little boy. Going to make a meal out of you soon. You lazy bum, come here and do the housework.
The witch had a weak edge, so she made Gretel her servant. Every day, witch went to the cake to check Hansel.
Show me your fingers, Hansel. Let me feel it and see how fat you become.
Hansel was very clever. Knowing that the witch has weak eyesight, he used to show bones of the chicken instead of his own fingers.
Hansel, why don't you grow up, stupid boy? I will feed you more and more now.
Save my brother. I have to do something now. I cannot let this happen.
Come on, you little girl. Help me to light the fire.
But I don't know how to do it.
I do it myself.
This is the last chance to escape. I must give it a try.
She ran and gave the witch cat with a mighty push.
Cruel! No, you witch, you cannot eat my brother.
Gretel!
Hansel!
Oh, Gretel, please save me.
Yes, brother.
He started chanting the treasure books one by one. The poor skin gold.
What? Let's take this home. Yes.
They all come out of the house running.
But brother, we don't know the path. I cannot walk now. Far alone.
Oh, you don't what?
Hansel circulated the magic wand on the broomstick, and they all start floating in the air. Suddenly, they heard a familiar voice.
Hansel! Oh, Gretel! Who are you, my kids?
They are our parents. Take us down.
Both the kids ran toward the parents as they landed there.
Daddy, mommy.
We are coming!
Daddy, mommy.
I am sorry, my child. I am very not true with you.
It sought the treasure and told the history to the parents.